In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a reminder on Slack chats and messages. So if you had set a reminder on any message and you'd like to go ahead and edit this or change the time duration, it is pretty much simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to find the chat or message that you had added a reminder, it is pretty simple. You'll see a saved for letter mark on that message. Alternatively, if you can't find it, just go to letter folder here, and if you click here, you'll see all the messages that have a reminder. And as you can see, this is due in 14 hours. However, I'd like to go ahead and change this time. To do that, go ahead and click on this icon here, and you can see the first one is mark complete or edit reminder. So if you click on this clock sign, you can now go ahead and change this. For my case, I want to change it from tomorrow to be due in 3 hours. So I'll go ahead and click on 3 hours, and that will change automatically. You can see now it is due in 3 hours. So that's how you can edit reminders in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.